this is what changes need to be done. When you're on the website, and I think you'll shop by category, it's under several places. But if you notice, like right here on the front page, the first one, when I click that, guards, Guards, not Gaurgs. And you've got it all down through here. So you need to learn how to spell guard. Like, look over here in the product categories and look in the pictures. Learn to fucking spell this. Skid plates, you go to shop by. Oh, by the way, their emails aren't working. And the GMAC records and other things are all fucked up too. So you click on skid plate. And it just says skid plate. So we need to add an S to that. And again, the emails are fucked up. Where's your rail guard? Let me go to rail guard. Yeah, I think it's up here. Shop by Rocker Rail Guard. There it is. Rocker Rail Guard. And then you have the installing guards here. A01000. How's that? That doesn't need to go there. That needs to go on a skid plate. And you got to fix the listed under Rocker Rail Guard. Okay, and that's the AZR1000. Polaris under something over there. Let me look. Honda Pioneer 1000. You spell Polaris fine. That's what we're looking for here. Okay, we're looking for Polaris spelled wrong. PLO. We have PLA somewhere. PLO, yes, there's wrong. PLA for anyway, so where's the real guard? Yeah, right there. You got Poalirs. That's all. Polaris. Okay. And on the front page, where it says open opening time, change that to hours of operation. So change the operation times to hours of operation. And last but not least, the emails. They're having problems, we're not getting an email. And he even started to call you Kevin